Many believe that life in the United States is very luxurious, and they think people have an easy life, but they don't realize that we work really hard to earn what we have and to get the kind of lifestyle we're looking for. This is the early morning of going to the hospital to see my dad. I'm staying at an Airbnb and I'm prepping some food for myself. This is a beet salad that I'm preparing. I disinfect the lettuce in baking soda water. And it gives me much more ease to know that the lettuce is fully disinfected. Then I cut the beets to boil them in water, and they take such a long time to cook. They took over 3.5 hours in a regular pot. They would have taken much less time if I had a pressure cooker. But it's okay, I enjoyed the process and I was benefiting from it while cooking other things and working on other parts of the recipe for myself and for my father. My father loves eating artichokes. They're like his favorite food and he likes to eat them with a lemon garlic dip. I love asparagus, so I'm making asparagus and chives for breakfast. It makes me feel good because I know I'm eating healthy food. They're not too heavy on my stomach and they're very nutritious. In the meantime, I'm waiting for the artichokes to cook as well as the beets. They're taking a long time for sure. The artichokes wouldn't stay up, and I wanted to cook all of them fully. So I placed a pot on top of them to weigh them down so that they can stay up and I can fully cook them. And they took such a long time. I wouldn't have minded if I didn't have to be at the hospital ASAP, but they took such a long time and I kept hoping for them to finish. I tried to pull out a leaf, but it wouldn't, so I knew it wasn't ready yet. So I increased the heat a little bit and I waited longer, and finally it pulled out. And I prepared the lemon garlic dip so that he could use it to dip the leaves in it. It goes all the way. It's burning my face. And I just arrived to the hospital finally, and I have the lunch bag with me that has my food and my dad's. He's gonna be happy to see the artichokes and the beet. Hi Baba. Merci. شو بدك تاكل بابا؟ شو أكتر شي طلع عبالك تاكل؟
شو
طلع شوفن.
مش عاطلة طيبة.
ايه شوف هيدي أرضي وهيش منظرة. هلأ بحطلك معها سكر.
واحد حامض.
الحامض يلا رح جيبلك اياه. He got milk, crackers, and diced pears from the hospital, but I got him his favorite apricot jam to eat as a dessert.
وين بحطها؟
حطها هون. طيبة؟ هي أول مرة أنا بعمل لك أرتشوك. جربها هيك.